Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bloomberg detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, locate the Bloomberg terminal in your office or access the Bloomberg software on your device. Ensure you are connected to the network that supports Bloomberg. If you are using a Bloomberg terminal, ensure all cables are connected properly. Press the power button to turn on the Bloomberg terminal. Wait for the system to boot up completely. Once the terminal is ready, you will see the Bloomberg login screen. Take a moment to locate your Bloomberg username and password. Enter your username in the designated field on the screen. Next, input your password carefully in the password field. Double-check your entry for any typographical errors. After confirming your username and password are correct, press the Enter key. If the credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Bloomberg dashboard. In case of login failure, a prompt will appear indicating the error. If you encounter an error, review your credentials and try again. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password securely. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the Bloomberg interface. Explore the various features available to enhance your market research and analysis. Make sure to log out properly once you finish your session. Highlight the importance of maintaining security by not sharing your login credentials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.